Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, children, good afternoon. How was your UT? How was your UT?
Ma'am, great.
Great. Nice description. Great UT.
Ma'am, just
Okay.
find comprehension to be a quite difficult.
Comprehension was difficult. Sure. Sure. Let's see. We're going to discuss the paper.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Children. Good afternoon. So, what was the experience for the first UT? Any
The
issue?
test was good, but the experience wasn't
I'm not
good.
so good.
Not
What happened?
so good, ma'am.
What happened, children? Tell me. I'll request principal sir. I'll speak to him if there are some issues.
Ma'am, actually the question paper was shared on the screen, which wasted a lot of time.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Someone
How?
wanted to do the
Ma'am,
first
actually
question.
someone,
I just wanted to
Ma'am,
know
some
sharing on the
wanted-
screen, the paper, how did it waste time? Please tell me about that.
ma'am, like
wanted-
someone wanted to see one question while the other was on the next page. So it was creating a lot of chaos in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like after a few minutes only scroll up, scroll down. This was going on.
Hurry, why scroll up? The pace
Ma'am,
was.
students
Ma'am, the
wanted
pace was
the first page
Some
of
students were in different sections.
Hmm. And okay, somebody wanted to do some question first, somebody wanted to attempt the other one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But then this issue will come in all subjects.
Yes, ma'am, and subjects like Hindi and science are quite lengthy, so it will waste a lot of time.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
And someone has already done the comprehension and want to do the article.
Then we have to wait for the others.
Yes,
yes, ma'am. I wanted to read the
Send on
comprehension
the
once again.
group.
I could not read because others were wanting that.
Okay, this was the main issue that somebody wanted to do something first, others wanted the other one. Okay, basically,
Yes.
It should be shared on the WhatsApp group.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That was
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We were told not to do it anyways. I'll speak to sir. Let's see what sir allows and how he allows. Because
Everybody can share his screen with video on,
hmm,
so he won't cheat.
Fine. Let me see. I'll discuss with sir. Chalo, this was the question paper. Let me discuss. See the picture and verbal inputs given below and write the article Save Tigers. This we'll discuss later. Yes. Comprehension part. Let's start. The choices we make on a daily basis, wearing a seatbelt, lifting heavy objects correctly, or purposely staying out of a dangerous situation, can either ensure our safety or bring about potentially harmful circumstances. I'll do one thing. First, I'll discuss the questions with you. Just give me one second.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Now it must be visible, see?
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Hmm?
visible.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah, I was just trying to admit Srishti and because of that. Hanji, let's discuss the answers. Which of the characteristics are apt about the writer in the following context? I know I have limits and I've reached them, but I'm going to ignore them and see if or how long I can get by with it.
Ma'am, first and fourth.
Ma'am, first and fourth.
First
Ma'am,
and
first and
fourth.
I'm first and fourth.
Any
Yes,
other
ma'am.
options? Any other people who have any other answers? We are open for it now. We are discussing the paper.
Ma'am, I think indecisive also, ma'am, because he is not able to decide what to do.
No, he's
Yes,
already
ma'am.
decided. He's saying, no. He says, I have my limits and I've already reached them. So he's very clear. Indecisive, no, because he knows that he has already reached there. Whatever limits he has already achieved it. So C part is
Ma'am,
correct, no
purposeless.
doubt. First and fourth is the correct answer.
Ma'am, purposeless.
Yes, ma'am.
Purposeless, no. Had he been purposeless, he would have never achieved his limits. He would have never reached them. He says, I know I have limits. That means he knows to take decisions and he has already reached them also. That means he has a purpose whenever he decides. Charlie, next one. Tell me the next part, beta. The reason
Ma'am,
why
the
living on the edge, first is correct. It's C option 1 and 4. The reason why living on the edge has become popular is because of the
Strong tendency
Ma'am,
to
option A,
Ma'am,
constant need
strong
for something
tendency to stay
different.
within our
Constant
limits.
Ma'am, constant need for
constant
something
need for
different.
something different.
The reason why living on the edge has become popular. So we have come with two different answers. Let us see this. See. We can think it's a kind of exciting to live life on the edge. We like the image of, yeah, that's me living on the edge. It's become a popular way to look at life. But if you see, even highways have lines which provide margins for our safety while we are driving. If we go over one side, we'll go into the ditch. If we cross over the line in the middle, we could get killed. And we like those lines because they help us to keep safe. Sometimes we don't even realize how lines help to keep us safe. He's ignoring his limits. See, this part we've already done. Yes, Pache. We have two different answers. Tell me what is the correct answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
option
D.
A.
Option A.
Option D.
Option A.
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 Ma'am, strong tendency to stay
Please
within our
Ma'am,
justify.
D.
There are two options coming. The students who say, please justify your answer. Yes, tell me. Justify from the passage. I'll be coming to the D ones. Then I'll tell you which one is correct and why. Yes, Beta. Tell me. Justify the answer. A. Those who say A. Come on, children. Tell me A. What happened? No justifications. Okay, D. Those who selected D, why did you select D?
Ma'am, it should be D because here it is written that if we are driving in a safe road, like on a road, so there are many different, like we should be in our limits that we have margins.
Okay. See, just focus on two lines. We can't think it's a kind of exciting to live life on the edge. We can think it's exciting to live life on the edge. He starts like this. But when he ends up the paragraph, he says this. Sometimes we don't even realize how lines help to keep us safe. Now come to the options. We started with that. Strong tendency to stay within our limits. Constant need for something different. These are the two options, children. If I go according to the passage, both can be taken as correct. Because he's saying we jump the line, sometimes you go left, sometimes you go right, then A option can go. But at the end of the paragraph, he says it is better that we stay safe so that we are in our limits. So I will give both A and D as the correct answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come to the
Thank you,
third
ma'am.
one. Yes, Peter.
Ma'am.
Chalo. The phrase potentially harmful circumstances refers to the circumstances that can be
Be possibly
Certainly
dangerous.
be
Be fairly
dangerous.
Possibly dangerous.
dangerous.
Ma'am, option A.
Possibly dangerous.
Dangerous.
Option C.
Ma'am, option B.
Option
Ma'am,
C.
Option C.
Option C.
Option C.
C. Yes, potentially harmful means possibly dangerous. So third one will be C. Let's move on to the
Ma'am,
fourth
can it
one
be
now.
A?
No, it cannot be certain, beta. Potential. Potentially
ma'am.
dangerous. Potential means in future we can utilize it. Something like that is a potential resource. Chalo, let me give this option also to you people. Potential means which
Ma'am,
can
can't.
happen. Which can happen in. Yes, bache. Possible. Did you have taken C and A? Seldom
Ma'am,
can't be.
option
Rarely can't be. Seldom is hardly. That is not possible.
Ma'am, option
Fairly
B.
also means- No, B and D will not go because B means fairly dangerous, matlab thoda sa dangerous, and seldom ka matlab hardly dangerous. So it will not go. A and C both
Ma'am,
can
B
go.
is
Certainly or
also B is also saying some chances.
we are
like
not taking
possibly.
B. We are not taking B, beta. I'm saying only A and C. B and D are wrong. I'm saying A and C can be taken. Choose the option that correctly states the two meanings of outlook as used in the passage. I want the
Ma'am,
word
3
outlook.
and 5.
3 and 5. 3 and 5.
Chalo, which paragraph is outlook?
Ma'am, in the third para. Finally, I
Yes,
understood.
let's better discuss the answers. Outlook. Read the line. We're utilizing the word outlook, one of you, so that you understand. Read better.
Finally, I understood I was living an unsustainable life and needed to make some changes in my outlook and lifestyle.
Very good. Now we'll see the options. Two meanings: a person's evaluation of life, person's experience in life, person's point of view, person's regrets, and a general attitude. What is your options?
Ma'am, 3 and
3
5.
and 5.
Option
Option C.
1 and 4.
Yes, perfect. It is the C one.
3 and
Let's
5.
move on to the next one. Last one. Choose the option that best captures the central idea of the passage from the given quotes.
Ma'am, option.
Ma'am, option 4.
Option 4. Option 4.
Option 4.
Yes, balance is not you find, it's something you create. Very good. D1. Let's move on to this grammar part. In the past few decades, TV has become the dash powerful means of entertainment.
Most.
Most.
Yes, Peter. Because the is used, so superlative degree should be there. So the correct answer is most. With the introduction of many channels, its reach dash many folds.
Increases.
Is increasing.
Is
Ma'am,
increasing.
Ma'am, is
increased.
increased.
Is increasing.
Is increasing. Is increasing.
Ma'am,
I'm
it could
sure
be
you
is increased.
no beta. Is increased is grammatically wrong. It could be has increased.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Has
increased.
increased can be correct, but
But
is
has
increased
is not
is
given.
not. That option is
Ma'am,
not given.
Ma'am, increases.
No. With the introduction of many channels, its reach increases many folds. Okay, chalo. This also can be taken as, though not very perfect. I'm
Ma'am,
sure you
increases is
dash
correct.
agree. Better is increasing and increases both can be taken. I'm sure you all dash agree with me that TV has become indispensable.
Would agree.
Would.
Good.
It is would agree.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's come to the fourth one. You dash get the car repaired. There's something wrong with the brakes.
Have
You
to.
have to.
Have
Yes,
to.
beta. It is have to. Let's move on to
Can
the
we say
next
might?
one. You know what? What did he say?
Can we say might?
Might option is not given only. You might get the card repaired. No, bhaiya, no. Might is not sure now, but the brakes are not working. So obviously the car has to be repaired, not might. There isn't dash milk in the glass.
Much,
Little.
much,
Little.
Much.
Much. Yes, it is much. Hmm. Little also can be taken because it is used for quantity. You dash
Okay,
be
ma'am.
considerate towards your neighbors.
Out to.
ought to,
Out to.
Ought
Out to.
to.
Yes, ought to. Very good. You'd better demand an answer dash her.
From
From
her.
her.
From her.
From her. Very good. It is from her. Let's move on to the next one now. The fifth one. Sentence has to be completed by inserting the appropriate word. You dash her.
Should ask her.
Should
Should
ask.
ask.
Should ask.
Very good. Should ask. He dashed leave for Delhi immediately as his mother is critical.
He should.
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 He should. You dash queer before boarding the bus.
You should.
You should.
Should.
May.
Yes, you should. Charlie, what's the next? Now that article is there. Tell me what
Yes,
points you
ma'am.
took in this. Check your scores of comprehensions and grammar. You get the scores yourself.
Ma'am,
Let's
I
discuss.
got
Ma'am,
Ma'am, grammar
was
full.
wrong.
Ma'am, grammar full.
Okay.
1 mark deducted.
Ma'am, if litter is
comprehension?
considered, ma'am, if litter is considered, then
What about comprehension? Yes, little
I'm
can be
Comprehension
considered.
full.
I'm comprehension full.
Comprehension 4.
Comprehension full. Little we will consider because little and much both are used for quantity.
Okay,
Tell me
ma'am.
what
Then
in this. What ideas did you take up for this? Tell me something that you wrote except for what was given. Apart from what is given, did you take up something else and what was it?
Ma'am, tiger's physical appearance.
Okay. Fine. Others?
ma'am, save tiger, save humanity.
Save tigers, save humanity. This is nice one. What
Tigers in
else?
India. Number of tigers.
Okay.
Some stats.
Hmm. Okay.
Stats.
Fine. Yes. Come on.
Ma'am, measures to save tiger.
Yes, Peter. Nobody is speaking. You must have taken up some ideas, no? Tell me what ideas
Measures
you
to
have
take
got.
measures
with
to
the
save tiger.
what were given only.
For example,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
measures you wrote? What measures you wrote?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am.
ones given as hints.
Yes, ma'am, because no time
Hints
person.
and the national.
We have completed
Answer.
the word limit actually.
Okay, in this only. Describing
ma'am.
these only. I hope you've not exceeded them.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No.
No?
Both
You've been
no.
in, because if you exceed it, then what will happen? You have negative
Negative
mark.
marking.
Negative
Yes, you'll have
marking.
negative. So do not exceed the word limit. Whatever is given, you do. And what about your literature part? How was it?
Ma'am,
Nice.
it was good.
Ma'am, it was
also
good.
That also was good, huh? That means you people will be doing pretty well in English, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's hope so. What duty you have tomorrow, Bachi?
Ma'am, computer.
Computer.
Okay, that's easy. Then you've got holidays for maths and science now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's Sunday and the Eid.
How many
Yes,
chapters
ma'am.
are coming?
Saturday Hindi.
Okay. How many
Yes,
chapters
ma'am.
are coming in science?
5.
5.
5 chapters.
Ma'am, 1.5 in physics and 2 in chemistry and 1 biology.
One biology life process itself a long chapter,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
isn't
And we
it?
have chapters in
And
Ma'am,
one and a
chemistry.
half.
it is having lot of diagrams.
One complete chapter of electricity. And
Yes, ma'am.
half
Electricity completed
chapter
and
of
half magnetism.
electric current.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Magnetism half.
Not a syllabus, huh?
2 chapters of
people-
chemistry.
Lot of syllabus you have. But you must have studied, you must have already done, you are good
Ma'am, yes.
children.
Yes, ma'am. It's
ma'am, all
easy.
prepared.
It's easy.
All prepared. Very good,
Yes, ma'am.
children. Nice to see this. Okay, now what should we do today? Tell me.
Ma'am, new chapter.
Ma'am, new topic of English grammar.
Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me discuss the
Can
syllabus.
we
part.
discuss literature question paper?
No, Vida, that is not my jurisdiction. It is better you discuss it with your literature teacher only. However, orally you can discuss. If there is a doubt about any of the questions among yourselves, I'll be a part of it. We can discuss. If you have doubts of a particular question, that way you can talk about. But officially, we cannot discuss the paper. Let ma'am only do it. Yes. Tell me if you want to discuss something specific among yourselves, you can certainly do it. No?
We can discuss
No,
it
ma'am.
with
Sure. Let me discuss the syllabus of class 10th with you first for English, and then tell me which chapter should we start next now. Beta, you have 40 marks, reading skills are 20 marks, and writing and grammar is 20 marks. This is the board pattern I'm talking about, okay? Now, come to the grammar. You've got gap filling, which I know you're very good at doing. You've got editing. You can do that. I've tried it many times with you. You're good. You've got modals, which are done. Subject verb concord. I think this is not done in 10th.
Yes,
Ma'am, it is
ma'am.
not.
Okay. So we put a cross on the topics we've not done. We'll start. Subject verb concord is not done. Reported speech is not done. Determiners are done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am. We have done that.
And clauses are not done. And tenses are not done. So what all we have done is, listen, we have done modals. We are done with determiners. And we are done with prepositions, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is done. I'm noting down at a place. What is left is tenses, subject verb agreement, what we call subject verb concord.
And clause.
Then we are left with reported speech. And we are left with voice.
Clause.
Voice and clauses. Okay. Subject verb agreement, reported speech, voice, clauses, and tenses. We're left with 5 topics, 3 we've already done. Total 8 topics in grammar we have. So tell me, should we start up with the subject verb agreement next topic, or should
Yes,
we
ma'am.
start with
Ma'am,
active passive
reported
voice
speech.
or tenses? Tell me what should I start? The entire
Ma'am,
class should
reported
decide.
speech.
Ma'am, subject verb concord.
Subject verb concord is a small topic. I think we should start with this. If we start with this, we'll finish it in July. Subject verb concord easily. We'll be able to finish in July. Then we'll be left with only 4 topics: reported speech, tenses, voice, and clauses. So should I start with subject verb agreement? This you've already
Yes,
done a bit in class 9. Do you remember any of the rules?
Ma'am, in 8th also we are
ma'am,
done
in 8th
subject.
also.
Yes, in 8th also we did, in 9th also. Chalo, let me revise one with you. Tell me the difference in my sentences. The leader and the sportsman dash come. Listen to the sentence. The leader and the sportsman dash come. Has or have?
Ma'am, have.
Others also give your answer. Has or have? The leader and the sportsman dash come. Have come or has come?
Ma'am has.
Ma'am,
Has.
have.
Has.
Has. Okay, somebody is saying has, somebody is saying have. Look at another sentence. The leader and sportsman dash come.
Has.
Have.
Ma'am, has.
Has.
See, very common rule and it's going wrong. Tell me now, children, what is the rule I'm talking about? Who will explain this rule? Tell me quickly.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, dear. Please go ahead. She's going to explain the rule and then we'll understand in this sentence what is the correct answer. Start with it.
Ma'am, in the first sentence, you used the article the 2 times, which means that you are referring to 2 different persons. While in the second sentence, you used it for once, so it is referring to only one person.
Excellent, beta. The is which kind of an article? Definite or indefinite, children?
Ma'am, definite.
It's a definite article. Very nice. So in the first sentence, I said the leader and the sportsman. I use the how many times?
Ma'am, 2.
2 times, na? I said the leader and the sportsman. That means I'm using the 2 times. If I'm using the 2 times, definite article is being used 2 times. That means we're talking about 2 different people. Definitely, we're talking about 2 different people. So if it is 2 different people, it should be has or have.
Have.
Have. Now tell me, the leader and the sportsman dash come. Has or have?
Has.
Have.
Beta, we're talking about 1 or 2. The
Ma'am,
is
2.
used how many? 2 people. And how do we find out? Dekho beta. If I use the only once, then I'm talking about only one person. And if I'm talking about one person, then has is used. But if I use the 2 times, then I'm talking about 2 different people. Okay. And if I'm talking about 2 different people, then have should be used. What should be used? Have. Now tell me once again. Okay. I'll ask you. Let me ask an easier one to you. The film star and the TV anchor dash coming is coming or are coming?
Are coming.
Are coming.
The film star and the TV anchor dash coming. Everybody tell me, is or are?
Are coming.
Yes. Why did we use are?
Ma'am, because we are
Ma'am,
referring
because
to 2 different persons.
Okay. Very good. And if I say the film star and TV anchor, then
Is.
coming.
is coming. We are talking about the same person. He's a TV anchor also. He's a film star also. For example, Amitabh Bachchan and whoever, Akshay Kumar or whatever, I don't know. There's so many TV anchors who are also film stars. So that is why. Now somebody else will explain this rule. Once she's already done it, who will explain this rule again now?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Vita, start. Children, please listen. If you're not able to understand, let me know. Start,
Ma'am,
Vita.
if the is used twice, then it means that it is referring to 2 different people. And then there will be used a plural form. Whereas in the when the is used only once, it is referring to only one person. Then it will be using singular form.
Okay. Is everybody okay with this rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me one thing more. Anybody else remembers rule? Any rule you remember? Subject verb agreement.
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I?
yeah.
Okay, one by one, let us take up the rules. Officially, I'll start with this session tomorrow, but a little bit of discussion we can do today. Hanji Becha, speak. One of you.
Ma'am, if there is a sentence like boys and a girl is coming, so we will take are because we will take is because we will choose the word which is nearer to.
Acha. She's saying if there are two subjects, singular and plural, then the verb will go according to the subject which is closer to it. That is what you're trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, she's trying to say the captain and the players. This kind of a sentence you're trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else remembers this rule and can tell us a little more about it?
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, beta, try the same one. Yes.
Ma'am, if two different subjects are joined by using and, then the verb is taken according to the subject which is closer to it.
Closer to the verb, isn't it? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's talk about this. The captain and the players. Is coming or are coming?
Are coming.
Are coming. Yes. Then we did one more rule, if you remember. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. What was that rule? Bread and butter are two different things. But we say bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Why? What was that rule?
Ma'am, if two things refer to the same idea, then we will use singular.
Excellent. Salt and pepper is important for food. They express the same idea. Knowledge and wisdom is valued. Is it okay? So if they express the same idea, we take a singular verb. I'll be taking up all the rules again when I start the chapter officially tomorrow. Today, just let me see how much you can recall. Any other rule, children? Good.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
with words.
Ma'am, with words like each, every, either, neither, singular verb is taken.
Very good. Each boy of the class is intelligent. We do not say are intelligent. Every girl in the class is talented, not are. So whenever we take the words each, every, then the verb is always singular. Good. We've got already 5 rules. Yes, more?
Ma'am, the words ending with S like politics, mathematics, we will take singular verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am, because
good. Very good. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Politics is a difficult field. Civics is my favorite subject. What else? Physics. All these words, although they end with S, but they mean one, so the verb is always taken as singular. Very nice. You people remember everything. The subject verb agreement will finish soon then. Any other rule we can recall?
Ma'am, a singular verb is taken with collective nouns.
Very good. Collective nouns always take a singular verb. Please give me examples. 3-4 examples to prove that collective nouns always take a singular verb. Come on, Richard.
A fleet of ship
The
is
pack.
coming.
Fleet of ships is coming. Very good. Give me more examples, children.
The pack of dogs pounced upon me.
Better speak again. I could not make out what you said. Just speak again.
The pack of dogs pounced upon me. Pounced upon me.
Okay, pack of dogs pounced upon me. But where is the verb singular? Has
Ma'am.
pounced upon me. Has
Yes, ma'am.
pounced.
Has.
Use a verb. Is coming towards me. Show that the verb is singular. You used a collective noun, but the verb was not used, beta. Yes, through someone else.
Ma'am, cattle is grazing.
Yes, cattle is grazing. We do not say are. Good. More examples of collective nouns. The Indian cricket team is, come on, you complete, good or bad?
Excellent.
Very famous.
Acha, very famous, excellent. The Indian army is complete,
Very brave.
very
Ma'am.
brave. Okay. So basically I said Indian team, Indian army. So I was talking about collective nouns. So I took up a singular verb. Very nice. 7 rules are already done. Anything else you can recall? Yes, tell me. Any other rule which you can remember?
Ma'am, when two singular nouns are connected with and, then a plural verb is taken.
Yes, beta. This is the first rule always for subject verb agreements. Whenever we have two singular nouns and both are connected by and. However, we have exceptions when they convey the same meaning, like we did bread and butter. There we have an exception, but otherwise, and if there, it is are only. For example, tell me examples. Rahul and Mohan are good boys. Yes, give me more examples.
Ria and Sia are going to the party.
Very good. Ria and Shia are going to the party. There are two people, singular ones connected by and. Very nice. Almost 8 rules are already done. Now, anyone, please ask one question from your friends. Use any one of the rules and put up questions now. We still have about 2 minutes. Please put up questions.
Ma'am, can you give examples like how can we ask and what we can answer?
I could say the Indian Army dash strong. So give them option is or are, has or have, like this. Ask your friends.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta. Ask.
Neither Rohan nor Mohan dash coming to the school. Is or are.
Is. Ma'am is.
Beta, others also answer. Just 2 girls are answering. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's
ma'am.
ask Gabby if she has satisfied with the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Who will ask next?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Naina.
Me and my friend dash going to the party is or are?
Are.
Are.
Hmm.
Are.
Are. Two singular verbs connected by and. Take a plural verb. Are. Very good. Who is going to ask next? Jikasa, you will ask.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Anyone else? If you have anything in mind, you can ask beta by the time she is planning.
May
Ask.
I?
Ma'am,
Yes,
may I?
beta. Ask. Anyone.
A pair of scissors dash lying on the table. Is or are.
Is.
Is.
Very good. Pair of scissors, pair of trousers, pair of socks. Good. Next. 10,000 rupees is, 10,000 rupees dash a big amount. Is or are?
Ma'am, is.
Very good. Another rule you've reminded me, Gabby. When we have a fixed quantity, we use a singular verb. 5 kilometers dash a big distance. Is or are?
Is.
Is.
Is. Very good. Ask
Is.
more.
Ma'am, dal and chawal dash my favorite meal. Is or are?
Is.